What's up, guys? Here's another Clash of Clans video. Starring level Town Hall level 8 farming and hybrid base. Now, this is not my base. My base is currently not level 8 right now. But this is my clanmate's base, so it's pretty good. So I wanted to show you guys it. As you can see, you got the wizard towers, the mortars. The triangle mortars do a lot of splash damage, and so does the triangular air defense with flying units. So this is a pretty good base. You could copy it if you want. I bet he'll be happy with it. So yeah. So this guard's gold a lot and dark elixir. So I will say this is a good base.